Hello, hi, I'm Laura, I'm French, still. I'm gonna watch Peaky Blinders season 4, episode 1. Oh, I watched the season 3, how many days ago now? I don't know. 1 week for sure, but maybe more. It seems like 1 month, really. And yesterday I watched the episode 3 of the season 8 of Game of Thrones. I cried so much. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put links. I had to make 3 parts for this episode because it was a long one, but also because I had a lot of mental breakdowns during it. I cried so many times. I think that was the first time that I cried so much. And if you know me, if you are watching my reaction videos for a few times now, you know what it means. I cried more than for Peaky Blinders, for The Walking Dead or for Vikings. If you can imagine that. Okay, so now we're back with Peaky Blinders. I miss this show so much. It really feels like months since I watched the season 3. I miss them. I miss all of these characters. I miss the environment of this show. Oh, I miss this family so much. But, yes, there is a but. Like I said yesterday, I watched the episode 3 of season 8 of Game of Thrones. So I cried a lot. Today, I want to have an happy day, an enjoying day with enjoying show. But I don't know if I choose the right time to be back with Peaky Blinders, because the last episode during the season 3, the season final episode of the season 3, was all of them were arrested, not Tommy, but all of the family. Even if they're gonna be released, they're gonna be so mad at him, so angry. If I was one of them, I will be so mad. So I'm really not sure that this episode is gonna be an happy one. We'll see. Oh, and maybe we're gonna have another time jump. I was surprised by the time jump of season 2. I was surprised also by the time jump of season 3. I didn't learn my lesson. So now I'm preparing myself for another time jump. If they don't do a time jump at the beginning of the season 4, I think I'm gonna be a little disappointed and maybe a little mad at them, because I'm gonna be wrong about that and I don't want to be wrong. Even if they released the Shelby's family like Tommy promised, Arthur, is he still here or not? Yeah, they were not happy about that. Trust me, brother. Ooh. One of the brothers is gonna betray him? What? You're still in jail? So we don't have any time jump this time? No, they're not gonna die. But I'm a little disappointed by the fact that we don't have another time jump. Oh, Polly, you're in jail. No, they're gonna be released. I'm not afraid for them. Maybe just a little. What? No.
Arthur, you have to call the king. Among the papers he stole was that letter from the king himself, which proves his majesty was involved.
Come
If
on.
his family walks free, then he will burn the papers in my presence.
Okay, he's gonna give it a call and
Today,
they're not
this is
gonna
in Innocent Green prison.
be executed.
How didn't you bring it up before? Put me through to his majesty.
Beyond time,
Well,
not like with this thing with the train, I was so mad. No. No, you're not gonna die. Any one of you. No. No! I said no. No! None of them. I was not afraid. Not once.
Officer, in return for burning the king's letters,
You know I'm
should
naive.
ask something.
Yes, a time jump. A little time jump, but still a time jump. I miss this show, I miss this music. Ooh, you changed! What?
Christmas was shouted.
Now is it political or something like that?
Raptor Times calls the room. Tommy, I've had Christmas cards from John, Martha, Ada, Michael and Polly. Bring Charlie. Bring a lump of coal. First 20.
He didn't see them since.
Can't pull a razor with the baby there, or single Esme. Tommy, you've never even seen Arthur's kid. Nor John and Esme's.
Who's it for me?
Ah,
Who's that? I said someone new.
Do it for Charlie. Charlie should know his cousins.
I love their relationship.
I got Charlie a real loss.
Every time, every season, I'm this close to ship them.
On Christmas Day.
But because of May during season 2, I was like, I'm all alone. You're not meant to be all alone today. A leader cannot be alone. He has to lead someone.
Amy Conveyor causing all the trouble. My name's Jesse Eden. You heard of her? Do you want me to
Do we?
How's your mother? She's off the rest of the house. Trying powers ain't get off. Dr. Cocaine keeps me awake. I wasn't asking about you, Michael. Was that?
That's
Asking about
right.
your mother.
But okay, I want to know.
Since she was pardoned, she's been on those fucking tablets the doctor gave her when she was in the prison. She says that when she was inside the noose, she saw spirits. Told me it's bad. Oh, it's bad.
Where is Ruben?
Keep it off whiskey. Throw
Yes.
away the tablets.
Yes.
And stop giving her fucking snap.
Yes.
Poor Tommy. It's only my family advice. You coming back?
Please.
What did you come back to?
I want to see this
Things are
family
all fucked.
back again together. Wow! Not in the good way. Polly!
Yeah, I saw all of that. It's funny they don't notice. Oh, my heart.
As our daughter.
Crushed to death in the ground. It's so beautiful.
I don't want to cry. Okay? I said it at the beginning of this video. I cried too much yesterday. I don't want to cry today. Please. What was that? A letter from who? John. It's you.
Well, this beats horse relay, John.
Was it? I'll take a seat to grab the kids.
It's okay, he's down with Polly.
She's in a bad way.
Oh yeah.
I'll bring her to her senses.
Please do that.
I'll get through to her.
You're the only one who can do that.
Hello, Esme.
What?
Pay for your college drive, Hazel. George, I hope around his leg, he shits himself.
Alright, let's make that up, can we? Well, go in the kitchen.
Okay, so Esme is in war with everybody. Okay.
So you can sew his fucking balls back on.
He received the same letter. What?
Mobile 245.
What does it mean?
Alright, John, do it.
He's a father.
Esme,
Yes, and he's a father. Seem not right, seem happy. I don't want to cry, please. Okay, new girl.
You just have a women's lavatory on the second floor because no women get this far up. Don't have a women's lavatory. I can't go to it. Come on.
Okay, I already love her. That's it. I love her already.
Saltley and Cadbury in the name Shelby Company Limited. Also 255 streets of back-to-back houses.
Very good.
She did her homework.
Good.
No, but Birmingham knows you, Mr. Shelby.
Sweetheart,
Don't call her sweetheart.
I don't need to make threats.
She's not sweet.
I will conduct myself as a businessman.
Who says sweetheart?
You say there's a 10-shilling disparity between male and female cutters. I will increase the pay of the female cutters in this factory by 5 shillings.
It's not
I will
enough.
cut the pay of
No.
male cutters in the rover by 5 shillings, thereby achieving a significant parity. And I will tell the men whose idea it was to cut their pay.
That's not right.
I will bring all my members out on strike. You will hear the whistles blow all across Birmingham.
But lots of whistles blow, sweetheart.
Stop calling her sweetheart. I'm already on her side with that, with this discussion about business. You don't cut the salary of men for giving it for women. No, that's not equality. That's not what we want. Yes, I said we.
Mr. Shelby.
Right, well, you tell Chef there'll be 27 guests. Christmas dinner tomorrow.
27.
27?
Yeah. I thought Charlie could do some company, so I asked Johnny Dogs if he knew anyone who'd like to eat goose. I want you at the table, Francis. Let's make it 28.
Oh,
We'll be busy.
You've put up with me this past year and looked after Charlie when I've been on business tomorrow. You'll eat at my table.
that's nice.
Things will get better, I think, next year.
I'm not sure with this family.